Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I know, don't faint. You're getting a video from me, I know. I have been talking to my gurus who, you know, have so much advice for me that I need to take, and one of the pieces of advice was to give the people what they want. And I know that you guys want to see more unboxings, which is what I always did. That's how you guys all met me. And so I'm gonna try to refocus again. I say that a lot, I know, but I tend to get very distracted by, you know, like the squirrel or whatever. So here we go again. I have a Creative Notions that is from last month. It might be actually this month. Let's see, what is the date on it? Is 9/3. So it is this month, but I'm obviously very late in opening it. So let's get the tape cut. I haven't even done that. And keep your eyeballs peeled because I actually have a lot of boxes that I need to open. And I've decided, you know what? I'm going to do them. I'm going to do them. I'm going to do them one at a time. Not going to do some big giant, you know, opening 100,000 things. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to methodically open all the boxes that I have so that you can enjoy it and get it in little bite-sized pieces instead of one giant thing. So, let's get this Creative Notions open. I'm excited. And y'all, it came in a box this time, instead of in a bag. So there must be something like super special in here, right? That's what I'm thinking. So let's go. I just cut the tape. I cut everything. Oh, here it goes. Okay. It's just tight. That's all. It's just a little tight, getting the lid open. And here we go with the tape. That's really pretty. I love her little camper. I always know it's her when I see the little camper, you know? Okay, I have to say, I'm kind of liking how this looks. It looks very organized, and I'm really liking that. I was enjoying the little satchels, but I kind of like this too. So this is really nice right now. Let's pop it open. Now this one is her... Oh, this is the August box. So this is actually her anniversary box. And maybe she'll have like something special in here. I'm super excited to see. Now, Jellybean, don't knock over my coffee, baby. Okay. Jellybean is here. And I actually do have a cat lady box. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to it tonight, but I'm gonna be going gangbusters, guys. Like I said, keep your eyeballs peeled. Okay, so Creative Notions, August 2021, featuring Stitch by Lori Holt of Be in My Bonnet for Riley Blake Designs. Stitch. Lori knew what she was doing when she called this collection Stitch. We can all relate that one of our favorite pastimes is to stitch away the hours, either by machine or by hand, making beautiful creations for ourselves and our loved ones. Very true. Okay, so now we have winners, we have the contents, we've got what to do to win stuff. So let me go down the line, because I think I end up missing stuff sometimes. Okay, so here are the winners for August. There is a scrap project winner, and the winner is Cindy Waters-Tolley. The Create a New Block winner is Penny Nichols. The recipe winner is Denise Bell. The active Guess the Fabric line winner is Angie Brisbane. And finally, the project winner is Evelyn Cooper. So congratulations to all you ladies. And then she has, okay, it says to win a pre-cut of 2.5-inch strips, make and post on social media in one or all of the following categories and use hashtags to help us grow. And she's got the hashtags listed, and it looks like she's using the word scrap a lot. And then she's kind of like, you know, saying the S is for scrap project. The C is for create a new block. See what I'm saying? Okay, so this is exactly how she has it listed as S is for scrap. So if you make something with the scraps from your subscription box, you'll be entered in a drawing. If you create your own block and send it to info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com, and in the subject line put block contest, you will be entered. Make something from the subscriber recipe book and share it, and you'll be entered. Be active in social media by guessing their clues, and you'll be entered. And then finally, you can make the project from any of their bags and share it on social media, and you'll be entered. She always gives us 15% off anything that's in the store for having a subscription, and she has a code here in the newsletter, so you can read that if you want to get that. Okay, she says what's in the bag. I don't want to look yet though. And then she's got something that says bias binding. We thought it would be fun to try a new style of border this month, so we've included a bias binding for you to use. This binding has been made especially for us. The binding is slightly wider on one side than the other, making it easier to sew into place. There are 2 ways to sew the binding on, so watch our YouTube channel for instruction. The binding is 2.5 inch double folded fabric cut on the bias, making it easier to go around curves. Okay. All right, let's see. What's on the back? They talk about their birthday. Happy birthday, sweetie pie. I knew you could do it. Okay, so let's start looking at everything inside. What is this? Oh, this is what she was talking about. Okay, so she says, it's the end of summer, and here in Utah, we are right in the middle of corn season. We're sending you a caramel cob of corn to enjoy a sweet treat. So I think what it looks like to me is it's already popped, and it's formed into a looking like a corn on the cob. And it does say on the bottom, try it warm. So I don't know if you can like heat this up in the microwave or, let's see. Looks interesting. I have never seen this before. It's very interesting. Microwave 10 to 15 seconds for warm caramel popcorn. Amazeballs! This is really cool. That's cool. Oh, I can't wait to have that. Of course, all my teeth falling out, but you know, no worries. I'm gonna have it anyway. Okay, so the first thing on top is a log cabin table set. There is a table topper, a placemat, and a mug rug. And obviously, if you want more than one placemat or more than one mug rug, you can do that. There's, you know, and then one table topper. So here's what it looks like. That looks like it's the table topper. No. Well, that's a table topper. Maybe that's the placemat. One of the placemat. Oh, wait, look. This is a table topper. This is a table runner. These are the mug rugs and the placemats. And then there's another table runner. So there's a whole bunch of options inside. And everything's in there to tell you how to make that. So that's pretty cool. All right, Jellybean, baby, this is, you can't do it yet. You can't be right here. He has missed mommy opening boxes. Baby, you know it's no cleaner now than it was before. It's really not. Okay, so now we have, he's going to sit right there. Yeah, he's going to sit toi. The subscribers block of the month competition was won by Penny Nichols, as I think that's what I said up here. Yep. Jellybean. Here it is. Hopefully y'all can see that because he's right there. It keeps messing with the coloring on the camera. So this is really cool, and then you can make it into this quilt right here, which is cool. Okay. And these are a T block and a butterfly block. That's what she's called them, butterfly block. Okay, then we have the butterfly quilt idea. Oh, this is from her blocks. I love whenever they do this. Okay, so here is a quilt that you can make with her blocks. And it looks like it's all mocked up in the Lori Holt fabric. This is really great. It looks like it's fat quarter friendly, which is great. Okay, so let me scooch that to the side. And let's see. Y'all know I want to do the fabric last, so I'm going to come back to that. We have, oh, this is a Riley Blake Designs Lemon Twist Hand Sanitizer. Jellybean. Hand sanitizer. And it looks like it squirts out right here. Like, you just push it down. Yoop! Yeah, it did like a little squirt. It's nice. It's lemony. Okay, and then... ah! Here's the bias binding. Very nice. You got quite a bit here. 10 yards. Wow, that's a lot. That's great. I love that. And then we, oh, I see. So this is the next ruler. And this is why we got a box, because it had to, this had to fit in there. And this is an 8.5 inch square up ruler. And of course I never have any paper. This is white, that's white on that. So you can see, it's got her little camper on it, and it says Creative Notions. It's an 8.5 inch square up ruler. Very nice. And there's another pattern in here. So cute. Oh, there's two. Okay, so these are for that sampler quilt that they're gonna send us patterns for, and I think you get like 2 a month, and then I think at the end of December it's going to be done. I could be wrong on that, but I know that we're getting, I'm pretty sure that we're getting like 2 patterns a month. So we have the Irish chain and we have the weather vane. So this is the Irish chain. I'm trying to get it. So that Jellybean, he's making the camera go wonky. And this is the weather vane. I had no idea that was called the weather vane. That's cool. Okay. And now I'm going to show you the fabric, and it looks like there's something else in here. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is a handmade tool by Weston Scow and Sons. I had to go really slow, otherwise I would have said that wrong. Weston Scow and Sons. And it's a seam ripper, and this looks like it's handmade. This is very nice. It says that they have seam rippers, stilettos, and seam pressers. And let me pull this paper out. Okay, so we got 8 fat quarters. I'll show you those in a sec. We've got the handmade, the 8 fat quarters are $25 value. Handmade wood handle seam ripper for a $20 value. Dottie double fold bias binding. It says 9 yards, but the package says 10. So we either got 9 or 10, still plenty. That's a whole lot. And the value of that is $13.50. The Riley Blake hand sanitizer, value of $2. The 8.5 inch square up ruler, value at $14.50. The subscriber block of the month, $5. The Jewel Sampler 2 block of the months, $10. And the Log Cabin table set patterns at $10. So the total box value is $100. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at this fabric. Jellybean, I'm gonna move the box out of the way, okay? Because you're taking up a lot of room and the box is taking up a lot of room. Mommy got no room to do anything right here. Okay. So we know it's Stitch by Lori Holt. And I'm gonna open it up and you can see which ones she sent us. Okie dokie. This is the first one. It is like a charcoal gray. That's what I would call it. And then we have this print. The back is like a light blue or aqua. I don't know. It's really pretty. It's got all those quilt pattern designs on it, which is really nice. And then we have this print. It's a pink background. And I don't know, I call them like little berries. I don't know if they're really supposed to be berries, but I call them berries. This is a goldenrod or a mustard with little X's. I don't know if you could tell that, but those are little X's. Like 4 little X's. And then here, this is a red background with a floral print. And this is a light blue background with little flowers, little white flowers. I really like that. And this is like a green print with sort of like a cross stitch look of flowers on it. And finally, the last one is red background with like some X's on it. I don't know, this is super cute. I really like this one. I like the look of that. Okay, so guys, that's everything that we got. This is the birthday box. Really great stuff inside. So many different patterns that are provided. So, I mean, honestly, have a great time with this stitch fabric and making some wonderful stuff. She did mention that they're going to be in boxes until like through December, because we're going to continue to get these square up rulers. And so obviously you're going to need a box as they get larger. You can't put it in the like bubble mailer anymore. It doesn't fit. So thank you so much, Vickie. Way to go. I love it. I love this stiletto, all of like the handmade little things. I love those things. So everything's wonderful. Please let us know down below what you think about the box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for continuing to support and watch my videos. I'll see you later. Mwah.